Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change email on Ryanair account. So before we proceed, it's important to note Ryanair's policy regarding email address changes. Now, for security reasons, Ryanair does not allow changes to the email address associated with your My Ryanair account. Then, if you need to use a different email address, you need to create a new My Ryanair account with the desired email. Now, how do you create a new My Ryanair account? So here's an example. I clicked on my name, my profile name, and I head over to my account and see my email. There's no option for you to edit this, so it cannot be edited. Now let's see how you can create a new My Ryanair account. So just open any browser of your choice, click on www. So go ahead and click on login at the top right corner of the website, then select sign up to create a new account. So provide your new email address and create a secure password using the email option, filling any other required personal information. Check your inbox for verification email from Ryanair, then click on the verification link to activate your account. Likewise, you can link existing bookings to your new account. Now, if you have existing bookings on your old email, you can link them to your new account. Access your newly created My Ryanair account. Head over to My Bookings at the top right corner, and once you click on My Bookings, go ahead and select Add Booking or Retrieve Booking. Anyone from there. That's if you have bookings, just go ahead and click on Retrieve Booking, then enter your booking reference number and the last name associated with the booking, and once verified, your booking will appear in your new account. So you can request a list of your past bookings from Ryanair's customer service if needed. To ensure that you receive all future communications within your new account, navigate to your profile, click on your account setting, and ensure your contact preferences are set correctly. Regularly check your new email inbox for updates from Ryanair. So while Ryanair doesn't allow direct changes to the email addresses on an existing account, creating a new account with your desired email is a straightforward process. And also, by linking your existing bookings, you can continue managing your flight seamlessly. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.